Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw a cute doctor together. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Okay.
First, I draw the doctor's face, a big, happy circle. Then, I draw the eyes, a little red nose, and a big smiling mouth.
Wow.
After that, I draw some curly hair on both sides.
Oh yeah!
Next, I add the doctor's cap with a little cross on top. Now, I draw the white coat, the hands, and the legs.
Wow.
Then, I draw a medical kit with a red cross inside it. And don't forget the stethoscope around the neck and a small pocket on the coat.
Wow!
Now it's time to color.
Yahoo!
First, I use pink for the face and red for the nose. I color the hair with brown.
Yes!
I keep the doctor's coat and medical kit white.
Yippee!
For the hands and stethoscope, I use a mix of pink and red.
Yahoo!
The pants are colored blue, and the shoes and medical kit's cross are bright red.
Wow!
And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make it pop and look super neat. Yay! Our cute doctor is all done. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye!